Hello, beautiful soul. This morning, I woke up and negative thoughts popped into my head before I even had gotten out of bed. Not a good start to the day. What I know is my accommodating brain is going to find similar thoughts. So I had thoughts of feeling rejected and unloved. And that led to more thoughts like, well, what's wrong with me? Doing an inventory of different people or different ways that I felt unloved, unsupported, and rejected. And I could see if I didn't do something, it was going to start to take on an energy and a life of its own and pretty much ruin my day. One of my favorite techniques is stepping outside of myself and pretending that I'm my own wise hypnotherapist or a mentor or teacher or supportive, kind, wise friend talks to me. So that's what I did. I kind of removed myself, went outside that negative thinking, and gave myself this kindness and love. It's like, oh, Sharon, what are you doing? Do you really want to take this path? Do you want to feed these thoughts? Do you want to go to that place where you feel really, really awful? And I was able to just feel that kindness and love coming from that pretend mentor, teacher, guide, hypnotherapist, and soak in the love and say, no, 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 I don't want to do that. I want to feel good because I know feeling good feels good. I want to feel supported and loved and good about myself because I know from that beautiful place, it gives me that energy, that inspiration to create, to support others, to give, to channel wisdom. It takes me to a place where I'm able to savor and bask and enjoy life and enjoy my day. And it's a beautiful, ideal state for my body to restore, rejuvenate, and heal. So, from that beautiful space, I attracted all these positive thoughts. And what I would love to do right now is to guide you into a short hypnosis meditation, starting off with the tool of self-hypnosis, because that can be super powerful to bring you back into alignment to a centered well-being state. So let's start off with what I call the sigh technique. You just take a sigh. So a deep belly breath in through the nose, and then you bring it up into the heart, up into the head, and then an exhale through the mouth or the nose. Let's do that again. A big, deep belly breath up to the heart and the head, and then on the exhale, feel everything relax and let go. Where the hypnosis comes in is my voice helps you to start to attach positive feelings to the sigh breath, so that in itself, it's going to bring in centeredness and calm. And then we make it more potent and powerful, and we add in more positive feelings so that eventually, when you practice it enough, you're going to do the sigh breath and you're going to be flooded with these feelings of well-being and centeredness and peace. So keep doing those sigh breaths. Let's do it together. Keep doing those on your own. On the inhale, feel a sense of you just open all your cells to receive this spacious love energy. And what does love feel like? It feels light, it feels soft. It's a sense of well-being. It's a feeling of peace. On the exhale, imagine Maybe a river of light, like the sun shining on a beautiful day, that soaks into your skin. Feel this potent, joyful, powerful energy of love flooding the body, bringing in stillness, a comfort, a relief, maybe euphoria, maybe lightness, maybe expansiveness, maybe joy. Just soak in like a dry sponge placed in water, these lighter, softer, more expansive, better feelings. Keep taking those beautiful breaths and feel the body flooded with lightness, with softness, maybe feelings of playful, feelings of well-being, feelings of loved, tenderness, kindness, appreciation. Keep doing those beautiful sigh breaths. Maybe imagine that beautiful river of light flooding and relaxing the neck, being willing to feel good no matter what, willing to feel appreciation, willing to take that path of softness and love. Imagining using this technique or tool where you remember maybe a kind friend. What would they say? Maybe you remember what they might say to uplift you, to give you relief. Maybe a hypnotherapist, a counselor, a teacher, a wise friend or being, a person in your life. Or maybe you make up this sage person. You can feel what would be the wisdom that they would flood and give to me. Well, it would be filled with kindness. It would give you thoughts that gave you relief. It would help you remember things like you came in pre-loved, pre-approved, pre-liked, that you are lovable, that there's thoughts out there that can back up those lovable feelings, that you are accepted, that you are valued, appreciated. Maybe you're looking for thoughts that feel like creative, like you're a success, where you feel confident on top of your game. This beautiful, wise being can flood you with thoughts that remind you of past successes, remind you of moments when you felt creative, you felt on top of your game, that can see from a broader perspective, a loving perspective, that you can tap into this. Have fun, practice, play, but be willing to show up for yourself, willing to meet those negative thoughts, those grumbly feelings about a child, a parent, a friend, a situation, with the energy of love. And what does that feel like? It feels soft, it feels light, it's an optimistic feeling. Maybe you have a diagnosis, you have an illness. To be willing to redirect, to go to different energies, to go to a higher perspective, so that you feel the softness, the relief, the optimism, that you feel feelings that feel healthy, that make you feel glad to be alive, that allow you to go to that place of appreciation. You're doing beautifully. Wherever you're at, it's like you can get to where you want to go. Take that beautiful sigh breath again. And on the exhale, open up your eyes and hopefully feel lighter, softer, more centered, more peaceful, and that you have a tool, whether you've used it before, to use it more, or to try out and experiment and play with. Blessings and love.